La hacienda, el rancho. For the Mexican cowboy, or as we say in Spanish, vaquero, it's where they call home. Shoe a horse, hang a hat, or get a hot meal. The hacienda is the hub of life for those who make a living under the great open Sonoran sky. Sonora borders the American Southwest, and they share the same rugged, arid landscape. In central Sonora, the past meets present at Hacienda Labrador, where even today you'll find cattle, comfort, and plenty to eat. And nothing calls a vaquero or vaquera home as quickly as that amazing food.
Maite. Bienvenida otra vez. Qué padre que estás aquí.
The owner, Maite, has managed to preserve much of the ranch iconography this region is known for, collecting odds and ends she finds on the property and seamlessly incorporating them into the decor. The hacienda isn't just a monument to the past, it's also a fully functioning ranch, with an interesting backstory.
My grandfather, cuando él estaba aquí, la casa estaba muy vieja. La estaba arreglando y una vez escarbando en la pared, cayó un chorro de dinero.
No.
Sí, montón de dinero.
Coins started falling out of the hole in the wall?
I think it was a treasure from the conquistadores, and they put his money in a place where nobody knows, no banks in that time. They used to
Just
put it
hide.
under the ground or in a special place where nobody else. Pero
Wow.
a él no le gustaba que dijeran que él encontró un tesoro. Él decía que el dinero lo sacó trabajando. Para mí el tesoro es esto. No, si una vez encuentro
that was
eso.
beautiful. Maite shares this treasure with me, the most valuable of which are her passed down family recipes. What's the name of these tamales?
Tamales de elote. Primero vas y recoges a la milpa 3 docenas de elotes.
To make this recipe, you have to go out to your field and get your fresh corn, okay? Yes.
Hicimos, pues muy antiguo de mi abuelo,
¿De
que lo
verdad?
inventó para facilitar este trabajo, porque antes lo hacíamos con un cuchillo, pero era peligroso. Mi
Ajá.
papá tenía un dedo cortado porque se
No.
le cortó.
Oh my gosh. No me
Entonces
digas.
ahora ya tenemos esto, vamos a molerlo.
This masa is nothing but the ground fresh corn. That's it.
Sí.
And now you're
Esta?
going to cream your
Sí,
lard.
esta es manteca vegetal. Good, and then va.
We're going in with the corn. This keeps getting better and better, Maite.
Yeah.
I've never seen the cups placed in the bottom. And
No?
it makes so much sense.
Es una explosión de sabor a elote.
A elote.
A elote. Ujú.
Queso fresco.
Fresco.
Mm.
Sí.
So creamy. You have very few ingredients,
Yeah.
like the corn, the chili, the cheese.
The thing is to use the things that we have here.
So you don't have a lot of ingredients, but they're ingredients that you love and you make the best of them.
Yeah.
While the tamales are cooking, you'll show me how to make your pumpkin empanadas.
Claro, es hard job this.
Okay. Y le vas a poner piloncillo,
Sí.
canela.
Canela y clavo. Agua, eso se deja hervir por unas 3 horas.
Once it's cooked down, y esto así
Y
te queda.
Así queda.
Deliciously super sweet, like you want more. It's like pumpkin jam.
Yeah.
Are you gonna show me how to make?
How to make the dough for the empanadas.
So first, we're gonna cream these. So 1/4 kilo vegetable lard, the active yeast.
Yes.
Okay.
In the
okay.
flour, we put a pinch of salt.
Okay.
Okay. Some sugar.
You just want it to mix with the flour, but it's still dry.
De agua.
¡Ay, me encanta! This is like the prettiest rolling pin ever.
It's really, really, really old. Y con las manos también igual. Hacemos esto.
Ah, mira qué bonito. ¡Ay, mucho más bonito!
Muy bonito. Va.
Uy, Uy, mira qué rico. And I can see chunks of corn.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm.
You mix the spicy.
Yeah. Because
With the
we have
cheesy.
sweet, but with chile and cheese. Está caliente.
Super hot, but super delicious. It feels like I'm eating tu rancho. You know, like it feels like a flavor that you would only get out in the country. What do you love the most when you wake up and you look at these?
I like that you don't have finish. Sight is endless.
The horizon is never ending.
It's endless. And you can see the esencia de Sonora because you see the big space. Sonora is a big state. And then you see big space and the mountains.
I love that. This is a true taste of Sonora.
Yeah.